Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Remove the two stoppers in the glove box. Push in on the stopper and pull outwards. When it unclips, rotate and pull the stopper through to remove it. Lower the glove box. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1058 filter with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the frame into the housing to clip it into place. Lift the glove box and reinstall the stoppers by threading the rubber part through first. Then, push until it clicks into place. Remember that lifting the housing makes it easier. Hook the dampener arm back onto the glove box. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.